Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back our channel. Today we draw Roblox character Sammy. Easy step by step. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, I'm using today three colors and big marker one and small marker one. Okay, let's go to the video. First we going to draw eye, small round. Okay, then that side the Sammy have the spider eye. Look like a spider. This one and leg, spider legs. Okay, then we draw mouth and inside tongue. Then we draw the face. Just little bit, okay, like this. This arc, this arc. Okay, giant here. This one giant, and this one also giant, and this side. He wearing a cap. Nice, this. Okay. Then yeah, giant here. And big size like this, and up and giant. Okay, then middle on cat. Wow. Then we draw the body, neck first. Yes, small rectangle shape, and we hearing the necklace like this. That necklace also spider shape. Like this, and shoulder and hand. Okay, then this side like this. Like this, join here. And another side, and join here, and fingers like this, join here. Now, okay, then body, this side, and join it. Wow. And he have one knife. like this, and here, here, then knife. Join it. Oh, our Sammy is alive now. Now we going to little bit in more visible your drawing. Now we going to the coloring. First of all, face color is yellow. Then tongue color pink. Then whole body color orange. Our drawing is finished. How is it? If you are like this video, like it and subscribe my channel because I am interested for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Thank you.